We'll do the unboxing. Here we have the user manual. Mounting parts. USB. Outlet. Outlet. And the actual device. This is the assembling process, so you want to connect it first. And then you connect the two devices and plug it into the outlet. You're going to want to make sure that the red indicator light's on to show that it's working. Here I'm going to test each port to make sure that they all work. And so I'm just going to go one by one. And so I'm just using my smartphone. As you can tell, all the ports work. There is a 3 to 5 second delay. That also is determined on your device, but the device works perfect, and so it's easy to charge everything. Currently, my wife and I, we charge 4 devices at the same time, and we have it right next to our bed, our nightstand. So finally here I'm showing the actual device installed. I did the mount brackets and everything. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.